Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are a freelancer, dropshipper or marketer who is trying to grow your income, that's one for you. So Instagram is full of Shopify store owners and there are many of them who need helps with things like product research, ads, design, SEO or UGC content. But the big question here is, how do you actually find them? So in this video, I will walk you through the simple yet effective methods to scout and connect with Shopify buyers on Instagram completely organically and without being spammy. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we need to identify the Shopify stores, and here is how you can basically do it. First of all, open your Instagram mobile application, and then on the home page, you will see this search tab in the bottom. So you will have to tap on this search tab, and here in the search bar, you can search for some terms or keywords like link in bio plus niche like skincare. After that, you can even search for shop now, or you can even search for Shopify store. Now, once you search for the Shopify store, you are going to just simply tap on the accounts tab, and you will see a bunch of different accounts, and then you can tap on them one by one. Like I found this particular page, and as you can see that they have the Shopify link in their bio. So over here in their bio, how I was able to know that this is a Shopify store they are using. So as you can see, the domain is myshopify.com. So this is a Shopify link. So you need to simply tap on the link, and then you can just mail them your services. Even the custom domains that often available on the pages leads to Shopify. So you need to check the website footer or the source code if needed, and then you need to save or follow these profiles for later outreach. Now, before you message anyone, you just have to simply ask yourself, is this store actually posting, or are they getting any engagement, likes or comments, and do they seem a real brand or just a drop shipping test? So as you can see that this particular profile is looking inactive, their Shopify isn't even working, and even if I give them a message, there are very rare chances they are going to actually reply me. So you can tap on the Shopify store option, go to accounts, and you can search for more accounts here. Now if you find the answer as yes, you just have to simply go to the one step further, where you need to add their products to the cart and see how the funnel actually feels. It should be on their store. So once you are done, you just have to check their ads creative, and for that you can use Facebook ad library. You need to visit their website and look for the weak spot. After that, the weak spot should be like their website might be slowing down, or they have poor quality of the product or description. So this will help you actually tailor your message. Now let's talk about how you can actually reach out to them without sounding like a bot. So let's say I want to message this particular store or bot. So you will have to simply just go to the DM section, and here you will have to type a prompt. I will put the prompt down in the description. It will going to include like, hey, my name is this, I just checked out your product and it really good, I love your branding. Quick question, are you currently running paid ads or managing everything organically? This opens to convo without pitching right away, and once they reply you can offer something simple like, got it, I actually help Shopify stores with the services that you give. And after that you can ask them, would you open to a quick audit or idea list? Then you can just talk to them casually and try to close them. So these are basically the warm-up method with the help of which you can scout for Shopify buyers on Instagram, and these are the smart way. So if you want a free DM script template or a list of hashtag to search, you can just drop a comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more freelancing and e-com tips. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.